Hello, and this is Antonio Banderas and how to use a pipette.
What's going on?
First, we need to clean the pipette.
This is a more pipette. As you can see, there's also a crack right here.
This not good.
No.
Mother Russia is not pleased with this. Notice how this pipette has no bulge in center. This means it's healthy. And it reads different volume in milliliters.
This is a stress relief ball that you put on the very, very top. Like so.
You use to suck up water and to blow it all out. Antonio, is it okay if I use the stress ball for other things?
No, you should only use it for the pipette.
Please, I pay you money.
No, it's cool. I'm sorry, you can't do it. You can't like put it in your mouth or you know.
Can I use it as a chew toy?
No. I'm really tempted to like just like blow it in someone's face, but I can't
That
do
would
that
be
either.
bad.
You want me to transfer stuff?
Yeah. Alright, well let us try to transfer.
Alright, this is how you transfer stuff.
How many milliliters do we want?
I'm gonna go for 5, which would be right here, wouldn't it? No. It would be at the 5 marker.
Right there.
Because this is backwards and everything. For 5 will be right here, underneath where the 5 is. I'm gonna put my hand up to the top because after I use the little squeeze ball, I'm gonna put my finger on top to hold all the liquid in.
Use index finger for better control.
Very good. You don't want to use your thumb because then it might like break because you're too strong.
If you play with it too much, it'll go off in your hair.
Oh well.
Oh no, because this isn't a beaker. This is not going to get like water from the pipette. So how I'm doing it is you have to bring it
It's
down.
not like sucking it up.
And you have to squeeze this. Yeah, like that shows how to operate with the ball. So if you're it's like this close, you can only take to either the solution or his.
It is now.
Make a sexy pose for. Oh, didn't see you there. I was just finishing recording the initial volume for pipette 1, 5 milliliters, and the final 0 milliliters, which means the volume transferred was 5 milliliters.
Are you sure? You might want to like check your math. Carry
Okay,
the
hold on a
1.
second. 5 minus 0 equals.
So we're waiting to go for that. I didn't
No.
Alright, so when you put it in there, make sure it's in the middle and not touching the bottom, but it's not too high up to where it doesn't suck in anything. Squeeze this down.
How much are you going for?
5 milliliters.
I think we need a higher.
different one.
We need
7.
different. Yeah, we need a different volume for each
7
one.
milliliters of water. How much is that? Actually, not 7. A little bit above 7.
7 milliliters.
Wipe it with a Ken wipe.
Let's get an exact reading.
What does it say on the minutes? Let's get a little paper towel magic going on here. And
It's truly only a little bit over 3. Like it's barely touching 3 mark.
But it's backwards, so it's 7.
Oh, so it's okay. So it's barely touching the 7 mark.
Yes.
Okay then, 7.
Cool.
Alright. 7 milliliters, dump it in here. Alright. Is that right? Or do we need to get the empty beaker first? But we already got that.
Yeah, we can just show that as a thing and keep that consistent.
Can you show what?
How much the beaker weighs. We can keep the empty beaker as a consistent thing.
Yeah, we already showed how much the beaker weighs, though, right?
So we already have the initial beaker mass, and now we're just adding
Yeah.
more liquid to that.
Right.
So, all right. All right. You got that now? Was 7, and our ending was 0.
True.
So 7 milliliters, and then final 0 milliliters, and the math right there. You have 7 milliliters, and that was an awful 7. All right. Now,
Kareem.
What's up? The part about lab is cleaning up materials. Because just when you think you did all the hard stuff, well, then this happens. You have to clean up after all your mess.
But we like to waste water.
Because you're supposed to rinse it 3 times, no matter what. So, you're gonna rinse it 3 times, no matter what. 3 pipettes so far. We're using the same beakers, the empty beakers, so we don't have to record different masses for it. This is a pipette.
What kind of pipette?
Skinny pipette.
that answers the whole.
The more pipette, what he said. It doesn't have a bulge in the center. It can have more than one kind of, or it records different volumes.
Indeed.
If it has a bulge in the center, it can only record one volume.
Have you washed it up?
No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
Sorry,
I'm gonna go wash it out.
That's what I like to do.
How do I
and
wash
everything.
it out?
You just rinse it.
Bring your squeeze ball.
Okay.
You just use the sink. Did you blow it
There are
out?
many different ways to rinse a pipette. I'm going to show you a different way. So, take a beaker filled with water. You stick your pipette in there. Not touching the bottom, but not out of the surface. Take this little stress ball here and squeeze it. Just put her in. Slowly unscrew this. Work as well as I anticipated. Let's try some. And you drain it out. Make sure you do this 3 times. This 3 is the magic number. Never be too careful for other stuff. There's nothing dangerous about the water. I just think you're not supposed to drink it. And then when you're done, make sure you blow out whatever's left inside. And boom. Clean pipette. Now, this is our waste container, by the way. We're going to draw a certain amount of this mysterious liquid into the pipette. First, we're going to draw some liquid into the pipette.
How much?
I don't know.
Go with 8.
8?
You can go for a lower number.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for 3. Okay. So same as when I was drawing in water.
So 2/3 Dawn,
Yes.
Stern Library.
Place
Stern Library.
the stress ball on top, already squeezed. And I suck in water.
Yeah, you'll actually want to be in Starbucks because no one has 2:30
And I put my index finger on the end when I plug it up.
She's looking at her.
Since I'm going for exactly 3, I'm gonna let it drain a little bit. And now, in order to read how much is in there, we have to hold this up to, and it's less than 3. It looks like it's 3.8. No, I mean 2.8. So that would be 2.8. Now, I'm going to record this. So the initial is 2.8 milliliters. We're going to dispense it into our beaker. And we don't blow out what's inside because it's calibrated to dispense exactly what's being shown. Because when water or any other liquid is in a glass, the sides